Ever wondered how to make quick money online? Today, I'll show you how to earn $99 in just 15 minutes using affiliate marketing. Rocket. With the rise of online money-making methods, social media apps are now the go-to platforms for passive income. Anyone can do it, even with just a phone. In this video, I'm sharing a super easy, 100% beginner-friendly way to make money online, no matter where you are in the world. Let's jump straight into the strategy. I'll be walking you through my affiliate dashboard with Fiverr to show how much I've made so far. Year to date, I've made over $23,000 using this strategy. And the best part? You don't need to spend any money upfront. First things first, let's sign up for the Fiverr affiliate program. It's a simple process and only takes a few minutes. Go to Google, type Fiverr affiliates, and click on the first link you see. Hit join now and complete the sign-up process. Once signed up, it's time to choose the services you want to promote. I'll guide you through this step by step. Search for services on Fiverr, like logo design. Find gigs with good ratings and reasonable prices. For instance, a top-rated seller charges $7.97 for a basic logo design. Fiverr pays you $30 for the first order and 10% for future orders. Now, let's create an affiliate link. Copy the URL of the service you chose. Head back to your Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Go to Marketing Tools. Click Default and Deep Links, and paste the URL to generate your affiliate link. The key to success is driving traffic to your affiliate links. I'll show you how to use Twitter to find potential clients. Start by creating a professional-looking Twitter profile. First impressions matter. Use Twitter's search bar to find leads by typing, "I need a logo." Engage with potential clients by replying to their posts directly with your affiliate link. For example, respond to a tweet saying, "I need a logo" with, "Check out this amazing logo designer on Fiverr," affiliate link. To make things easier, I've put together a free course that shows you how to use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts to drive traffic. The course includes 80 videos on driving traffic and offers a 7-day free trial. Grab it at definiteincome.com. Rinse and repeat this process. By responding to just 3 people a day, you could make $90 per day with minimal effort. Experiment with different services on Fiverr to find what works best. Don't limit yourself to just one type. Consistency is key. Engage regularly with potential customers and provide helpful responses. Keep track of your progress via your Fiverr dashboard to see which services perform the best. Remember, this strategy is beginner-friendly and requires no upfront investment. That's it for today's strategy on making money online with affiliate marketing in 2024. Don't forget to grab my free course at definiteincome.com for more tips on driving social media traffic. Also, check out my other videos on how to make money online using various social media apps. For more detailed steps and extra tips on maximizing your affiliate marketing income, watch the video. Until next time, take care of yourselves and goodbye. Don't miss out on the chance to make easy money online.